Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable to judge, moderator, timekeeper, and my friend. We are a collective team from Mulai. Let me to introduce my team. First speaker, myself, Budi Widanto. Second speaker is Tony. Third speaker is Rama. And the motion is allow students to bring mobile phone to school. I think I agree students to bring handphone to school because this handphone more function. More function. Function one, connectivity, connecting to for function for calling for parent or mother and father if student back to school, and second, yang kedua, the student can searching information with internet, with Google, and now handphone have a feature with iOS and Android. iOS and Android with application learning like learning physics, mathematics, chemistry. With application, student can learning by doing. On smartphone, student who can not touch
3 menit. Satu kali doang.
Assignment
3 menit. 4 menit 2 kali.
And student can join a group like Edmodo. Student can learning with participate with a teacher. Student no grade. I think itu only. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the trend. From Mr. Arif. I will explain contrast or from the motion that was this outward allows students to bringing mobile phone to school. Before everything must be there positive and negative thing, but positive can be negative if student bad using. It means salah menggunakan, bad using the handphone. According the points, I will explain to you. The point one, the student not focus. The student not focus, except listen from the teacher. They are often can be usually they are sending SMS. Seringkali bisa juga setiap saat the students sending SMS when the teacher menyampaikan explain the material. Then the student usually they are browsing the video. In this case, video film video like that, browsing and yang lebih parah, they spread to other friends and they playing the video when the teacher explain the material. Then the handphone, the student susceptible to prank, especially Facebook and Twitter. It means the student lebih rentan untuk terkena kejahatan kriminal, terutama especially in Facebook and Twitter. Based on or according research by Newsbank in English, in British, sexual crime in Facebook and Twitter increase increase 4 kali lipat. 4 times. In 2009, there are 1,642 cases and 1,000 and 395 is under 17 years. Then according Professor Andy Pippen from Plymouth University, he explained 40% korban from student, 40% korban from in this case from case Facebook and Twitter adalah karena kasus tipu daya by Facebook and Twitter.
8, 9.
I think enough from me.
Okay, I want to comment what the first speaker from Open Insight. He say not focus listen the teacher if the student bring smartphone to class. I think every teacher can be give a rule, give peraturan yang keras if student not focus to his learning. So I think example misalnya in class we can mengumpulkan semua smartphone if there is one person of student
use the smartphone for SMS or SMS or searching, not in learning. Maksudnya tuh nggak ada hubungannya sama pelajaran. Jadi the teacher, if he find the student who make that mistake, he can kumpulkan itu pun ke depan. Nah, that is I think not reason for student. Pokoknya intinya so I think there is not reason if smartphone can be make the student focus, listen the teacher. And second, video blue ya, sexuality and other I think this we know smartphone have bad thing and good thing. Bad thing, we can the parent of the student can be protect his doctor, his son in his smartphone by software. If he searching there is key XXX, that's blocked. Okay, I think that make it the student not use the smartphone for the bad thing, I think. And 3, Facebook and Twitter. I think we the mention us is allow student for bringing phone in school. The first speaker from the opening said I think that out of tema, because we bahas tentang di school, not to out of school. What his comment or opinion, that is across out of school. Conclusion, I think this is tema THW allow student for bringing phone. THW allow student for bringing phone to school. I think should be allowed. I think they should be able to have smartphone in the school because first they don't have to look around a lot of stuff so they can put in on the iPad or smartphone. He can search what ngedukung what is learning or whatever that. And second, it can be used as reward for good deed in school. Why I said that? Because if the student look the teacher mengajar, he can misalnya Edmodo. What is Edmodo? He can Google Edmodo what is it. He first, I think dia akan menjadi aktif di kelasnya. He can be active. And 3.3, if the student had emergency, they could easily call someone. If school had fire, kebakaran, gimana dia bisa telepon 199. He can call 911. And 4 point, have you ever carried around a backpack full of 1 until 5 kilogram book for each one of your class? It's short and it's unnecessary because you can use as 200 sorry, time is I think it's over. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will respond positive team. First, I will there are more points in positive team that I can give a response. First is the connecting to parent and communicate to parent. First, what is I would say is the compared to the communication with parents, there are more. We always use the phone is to call each other or to give a short message to other our friends. So if we use it in when a teacher is teaching, we are not focused and the what a teacher give is not easily responded. If we connect to when we connect to parent is always in when we want to go home, but is parent is should know when we go home, or we can ask or use public transportation. So the use of mobile phone in class is not allowed. And then second point is give more rule. Based on our experience, even teacher give more rule like one angry or something, there are one or two student is still using them in their class. So if one student use in their class, and then the other student is like to menirunya. So the in the next class, the other student is bring their handphone, but they are not shown in teacher and not to bring collect it to the teacher. And according to my experience, if we have exam, like exam, some students are using the handphone to ask their friend what is the answer of the exam. So if most of students using mobile phone, what the exam is can be done or they can cheat, but the lesson is not effective enough. And then the third point is the parents should, according to the Tony said, the parent can control the what application installed in their phone. According to that, there are many applications to hide the video or not. The content is not in the phone because there are so many applications in Play Store or Android Store or Apple Store to hide, or we can search it in the internet. And the most parent is didn't know that. So there are the child and the parent is more clever, and using and the phone is not using on its way. And then they can be more active. According to what Anthony said, if teacher is teaching about Edmodo, the Edmodo is okay, the time is up. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For me, I will reply mereka punya argument. I will take 3 points. Make one conclude. If
the conflict is this smartphone, it can be dangerous thing and can be a good thing. This is depend from the teaching from the teaching orang yang mengajar mereka. So the people berperan in teaching them is the parent and the teacher. If they can good if they can teach some good thing to use how to use smartphone to help education in class, the student will be think that smartphone can be used in a good thing. Jadi intinya depend on teaching from the teacher and the parent. And then I will give us my argument is if we forbid to bring cell phone to school, we also impact technological progress will be known. If it happen, will certainly handle learning system curriculum in 213 that will be applied by the government, because the core of the curriculum 213 is to make the process of teaching is change to learning using digital media. So if not allow the bringing phone in school, automatically if will be distraction their pengetahuan.
Knowledge.
Their knowledge about the technology. So if they face in some new technology, they will be not known to operation that, and they will be confused to operate that. So the conclusion is we must allow the student to bringing phone in class, but the teacher must give some teaching or give some rule to prevent using bad thing in smartphone bad thing in class.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm some speaker from negative team. I will explain you about this house won't allow students to bring handphone to school. Before we clarification about student is that elementary school, junior school, or senior school. Because I'm here have for argument. I will confirm you about that. The first, not all students need handphone. Like I said that elementary school and then junior high school. I think there no need handphone in the school. Like our life before, we know use handphone. since elementary school we don't need handphone, and we can stay to school. We can stay to study with effective. And the second reason, the elementary school student and junior high school student, they have level their psychology stay level, not stable, and they will be easy to influence with their friends. For example, film, porn film, or other films, and seriously, this not to seriously, and seriously is not educated for students. And the third reason or our argument, it will distract study. For what? And when the teacher teaching in front class, the student will be playing the handphone or its games or music or what and the other, and it lost their concentration in the class. And to respond Antoni's argument must be made a role in the class. All handphone student handphone collect in front class. I think it's not effective. So the student will be hide their handphone and not. Intinya murid itu pasti tidak akan mengaku kalau if they bring the handphone. I think it's enough. Ini assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What the positivity give? The first is the function of the handphone itself is not effective in class because there are more effective way in class to be learning. Like we can ask each other or ask to the student to or ask to the teacher to have more social way and more effective to communicate and then the second point is most of parents bring their student because they think they can use for school them, but in field the student is not always calling the parent because they can go by itself or they must use it by to calling each other. So the use of the mobile phone is not a good way. And then the third rule, maybe give a more rule is the effective way, but in the side effect there are not all students is like the or is cenderung breaking the law, so breaking the rule. So there are if one student bring their handphone to the school, and then the other student is bring them too. And if them all bring the handphone in the school, the teacher is difficult to teach to the student. And then the fourth point is there are what Brahma said, like depend on the teacher. We know that not all teacher is giving us knowledge about what is the use of mobile phone or the communicate media. They are just teaching what they can, like mathematics or music too. There are no so the teaching is not so the teacher is sometimes is not is don't care what the student did in did. If that happens, the student is not have good lessons, but just waste their time in the school. And then the last one is the using handphone for learning media. It's not the handphone is not just one media. There are so many media like in lab or laptop or communicate each other. So the useful of mobile phone is not important thing in school, especially in elementary or junior high school. That's from my team. I think that's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Rotes I think blue film on the internet can upload can access with a filter with DNS Hawala and filter with on ISP. Now available filter to block the SIM form. If you don't trust me, you can try to my laptop. I think smartphone distracting on school student can silent on smartphone. It will prevent sound or learning process. We draw conclusion. Smartphone more positive function. We left war technology. This is not often beneficial to learning and will also help students to understand how to learning by teacher and learning by doing. I think the role of parent and public resident also very important for monitoring the use technology on public or school. That's all my conclusion. Thank you for my friend. Thank you for timekeeper. Thank you for judge. Thank you for my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.